Hey guys, today I've got a Frigidaire refrigerator. I'd like to show it off real quick just so you can get kind of a hands-on feel for it. Got it on, it's running full blast, freezing cold air up here. Ice maker works. Here's a little bit of the information. Screenshot that and check it out if you want, or just pause it. And you see it's nice, clean, it's in like new condition. Down here you got the controls up here. Here's the information tag. Once again, you can pause it if you want to read through that. See, everything is super clean, like new condition. All the drawers and everything work. Here's the door here. And nice and cold. Everything works good on it. All you have to do is take it home, plug it in. Purpose of these videos just so you can get kind of a hands-on feel through the video, so that when you get here and you purchase it, take it home, plug it in, you know everything's going to work good on it. Also take plenty of pictures and everything, and I'll get that put in the ad. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you. Have a great day.